A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine at home. And today we have discussed about how to create series data structure in pandas. So I'm starting here. Import pandas as PD. This first statement means we are importing pandas library, and pandas is a library. It has collection of many functions. Okay, so whenever we want to use any functions, so we have to be import library. Okay, that's why we have written import pandas as PD. PD means it's a alias name of pandas, because otherwise if we will not write as PD, so we have to, if I'm using here pd.series, I have to write pandas.series. So we are taking a short name so that whenever we need to use this library, so we have to use the short name. That's why we have written as pd. P for P and D letter both have, it has come from the pandas. You can write any name for the alias, but it should be meaningful. Okay, so pd dot series we have written, right? And s should be capital. Here s should be capital because you must be knowing Python is a case sensitive language, and we have passed here 4 6 8 10. It's a sequence we have passed. I have told you we can pass in series a Python sequence, ND array, Python dictionary, and scalar value. So we are discussing how to pass sequence in series. So you must be knowing its kind of series, and the symbol is also known as, you must have done in your class 11th also, that is a list. Okay, so after creating this series function, we have to be stored in some variables. So variable we have taken s1, and we have to print s1 value. Then in the next statement, I have written s2 is equal to p dot series, and I have used here parenthesis. Okay, there are two parentheses from the left and right side. This inside one is known as, you can say here, it is working as a tuple, and outside is known as a series is a function. The function we have to use parenthesis, and again we have to print s2 value. Okay, after this we have to run the program, and we can see this way the output will come according to the first print s1 statement. Output is coming 4 6 8 10, and by default value will be, index value will start from 0. If we will not give any index value, the value always start from 0 value, and so on. And it's a default one, and integer value we have taken that's showing d type. D type means data type is showing int64, right? For the next, we have taken here as a sequence tuple. So 11, but the value we have taken 11 12 13 14. So 11 12 13 14 values are coming, as here also same indexes it is generating, because default one we have not taken any indexes here. So output may there is no as such difference, only values are changing here. Okay, so this is, by these two ways we can pass the sequence in series function, right? I have told you here we have how to create the non-empty series object. There is a Python sequence we can pass, ND array, Python dictionary, scalar value. So we have given, we have done here a Python sequence how to pass in a series function. I hope you have understood. So students, if you will have any doubt, you may ask. Okay, thank you very much, students.